Trouble sleeping is more than just a bad habit on the ADHD iOS. Sure, our bodies love habits, which means that once you've settled into a sleep schedule, it's hard to get out of, even if it doesn't involve much sleeping. But the ADHD brain has a few extra factors working against it. Sleeping on the ADHD iOS is like trying to freedive to restfulness without realizing that you've got two big air-filled balloons tied to you. Instead of healthy sleep habits resulting in mental acuity and physical finesse, ADHDers find themselves feeling jet-lagged, even with sufficient amounts of sleep. Thankfully, there are steps you can take to weigh yourself down and get closer to that restful sleep. Things like winding down routines, medications, and simulated sunsets can combat the domino effect of those balloons and give the ADHD iOS a little more control over restful sleep. Learned something helpful? Join the ADHD iOS community.